Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use Too Good To Go app. Open the Too Good To Go app on your phone. To find a surprise bag, tap on the Browse option. You might also see sections like Recommended for You or New Surprise Bags. You can select any of these as well. In the Browse section, choose your location to see which surprise bags are available near you. Once you find a bag you'd like to order, tap on it to view details such as the price, pickup time, type of food, and reviews. After checking the details, tap on Reserve to place your order. You can pay using a credit card, debit card, Apple Pay, or Google Pay, whichever method you prefer. Since each bag is a surprise, you can also choose how many bags you'd like to order before confirming your reservation. After you've made the payment, head to the store within the pickup window shown in the app. When you arrive, open the My Purchases section in the app. There, you'll see your active order. Once you've received your bag from the store staff, swipe to confirm pickup in the app. That's it. You've successfully ordered and collected your surprise bag through Too Good To Go. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.